Welcome everybody back to Boost in Motion, guys, and good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Yes, we will be headed to the Scramble Racing event later today, and we're going to be going out there with the Infinity Q60. So shout out to Go Race Box, AAM competition, and Matt Metrics, and some of my sponsors, VR Kings, and well, BC Racing isn't a sponsor for the car, but you know, we can dream, right? But anyway, guys, let's go. Let's jump into it. Hit that intro. Welcome, everybody, back to Boost in Motion, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Thank you. You guys that don't already know it, my car is an Infinity Q60. It's going to be running on E30 mix, and this is still on base file. This isn't a revised file from Go Race Box. So the car right now, I don't know if I'm going to disclose how much it does 0 to 60, but usually the quickest quarter mile times on 93 is usually right around mid to high 11s, and usually E30 is a lot lower. You'll hit mid 11s a lot quicker, maybe even some low 11s with track prep, but because there's no track prep, that ain't gonna happen. All right, guys, this is obviously not the Q60. I keep the Q60 in storage. Woo! Love that sound, love that sound. Hit the like button right now if you really enjoy that sound. Also, on top of that, if you are still new to this channel, please watch this video, and if you enjoy this video, hit the subscribe button with the bell notification. But anyway, guys, let's hurry and get to the Q60, and yep, let's go. I want you guys to see how wild it is in New York. It is March, and his license plate says September 2021, expired license plate. This shit is wild in New York City. They do this shit all the time. All right, guys, so I've decided to not put drag radials on the Q60. The weather's gonna be right around, sorry if it's a little loud, the weather's gonna be around mid 40s, upper 40s. I'm still driving about an hour out, and honestly, I don't have any pit crew or any friends of mine, so I don't know where I'm gonna put the regular Red Sports to sit and some of my tools. Not saying people steal or anything, but I don't know how it's set up out here. I don't know how long I'm gonna be sitting, so I said, you know what? Let me just go out there with the stock wheels, stock tires, and we'll just play it by that, play it by ear. But I want you to know this. Look at this. You guys might have saw that wheel in the trunk, and it only could fit this. This can actually fit the wheel, some boots, some storage space, and also my big storage unit with my jack and jack stand and everything in there. And it's still space to the back too. I could have put more stuff. So I love that. And the other wheel is in the rear seat. You can't beat 4 doors, man. 4 doors. Anyway, guys, let's go. Let's get into the car. All right, so before we leave, I must say I really dislike not having drag wheels and tires and a bunch of stuff in here. This is how it should be. You should be able to drive a car that you're gonna race as your daily driver and go, you know, every now and then go to an event and not have to think about all this extra stuff. This is why I gotta know what drive. I don't want to sit there and think about, oh, I have to put on drag wheels and tires. I understand the preparation behind it, but honestly, I just don't have the time and the convenience of doing so. So I don't know. I'm still gonna keep the drag tires. We're gonna figure it out. I don't want to get rid of them yet. I still want to take them to a track and actually have them on some proper prep. But, you know, what we're going to do today is we're going to send some logs also to Go Race Box. And they're going to take out the logs. So this is actually good. We got some time to actually test and tune. And while doing everything like that, we're also racing people. So this is a good part. And let's start heading out there. Guys, so we're about an hour out. And, you know, I'm just looking at some of the data logs and stuff, just making sure the car's running right. Even on the highway, the car's not really getting to temperature for the oil because of the air oil cooler. It's a little bit chilly outside. Also, I'm gonna be using this dash cam from AZ Dome, so it's gonna be a separate video about it. But yeah, everything looks pretty good. Let's continue to get out there. All right, guys, so we made it to the event, and right now I think they're gonna I don't think they're teching in. This is just general entry because there's regular cars and there's modified cars. So, yeah, there's also a girl behind me in a Mustang. I don't know if it's a 5.0, but I got her on video and everything like that. All right, take a look. These are the cars that are out here. Snack packs. Oof, I'm eating them. Yo, if we race any Hellcat or anything like that from a dig, yo, we killing them. We killing them. We killing them. We killing them. It's gonna be, we gonna be eating out here. I'm not doing any roll races with this car when it comes to like most of the force induction cars. Like for instance, like I'm not gonna do like a roll race with a stock Hellcat. He's gonna eat me. M3's stage 3 tune, stage 2 tune, downpipes is gonna eat me. You know, this car is on E30, so it's only making like 470, 480, and that's not even a cleaned up tune. Remember, I'm still on base file, so this car isn't making a crazy amount of power. So mainly, I'm gonna be sticking to the dig races. Well, we're gonna see what we're gonna see, but I'm actually really happy about this. So to kind of see a setup, that seems like the line already. Seem like they're going single file and everything like that. I don't see a huge amount of cars, which is good. A lot of Audis. Audis are gonna be running together. Let me see here. We got a turbo, RS, Kia, Subis, Volkswagens. Okay, Volvos. Of course, Hellcat. Of course. All right, we got a couple of cars. All right, nice field of cars. You got a nice field of cars going on here. Old Impact niggas. Okay. Oh shit! Look at this nigga here. Roll out the window. Yo, what's going on, family? Doing good? The car's 100 for the event, right?
We working on it.
I know, brother. All right.
You in the event?
Huh?
You racing too?
Yeah, of course. All right, so we got a couple cars out here. We got a, what is that? M4 Comp, blacked out. A couple other cars out here. Go ahead. A couple other cars out here. We're just gonna do a quick drive around, see who's here. See if I can find them. It's a lot of cars out here. I thought it would be a smaller event, but a lot of cars out here. Porsches. Front mount on this Ford. So he's, of course, turbo. Let's see who else is out here. Oof. Lambo. Oof. Now, mind you, we just came down that long-ass line, and they're still staging up to go and race. Let me see if I can find some of my Infiniti family. I see a couple of my Infiniti family down here, and the cars are still coming down to race. So there's a long list of cars out here. All right, let's fast forward and see if there's, oof, that one's sexy. I love that car, man. Not the girl, the car. Let's see if we could get even closer. Let's see if we could see a couple of races. Couple more people. Okay, so this is where all the races are gonna be at. Down here. Okay, we got this M3 here. Couple other cars. Looking good. Yo, what up? Yeah. So we got a good couple of cars here. Ooh, we got a Porsche and a Lambo. Oof. All right. So let's go see if we could catch and see some races first. And then, yeah, man, this is gonna be vibe. All right, guys, so here's a coverage. So they start pairing up here, I guess. But they all stay in a straight line, coming all the way down. A lot of American cars. Looks pretty good. Hey, I don't even know how to even set up any races at this point. I mean, I don't know why they're doing everything single file, because there's enough space that people can pull up 2 and 2 and 2. Okay. Now, mainly, guys, I'm gonna tell you straight up, I'm not gonna cover much coverage of other races. I'm only looking to see my Infiniti gang go in, and whoever they're gonna be racing. Those are the only people I really care about. And that's really honestly it. But I don't really see any Infiniti dudes or anything in the line right now. But it's a long line, and I'm not gonna walk down it. So, anyways, let's go to the track. All right, guys, so this is the quick setup. They have the cars pair up over here, and then they line it up just like a regular street race, 2 and 2. They do have a tree over here. They do have a tree, which is actually pretty good. No mile-an-hour times or anything like that. I still don't know if it's an 1/8 mile or a 1/4 mile yet, but I'm assuming it's an 1/8 mile. It's probably an S6 versus a C8 or a regular 3.0T, E6. Yeah, that's a 3.0T. That's a regular 3.0T, A6. Okay, cool. I really don't like the view and everything because I really can't see too well. I'm gonna see if I can actually stage over there where I can actually have a better and more clear view. I don't really like this view right here. Okay, we gotta see a quick lineup. We got an RS3 versus an RS6, Supra, ST. I don't care. I still love these Coyotes, man. I don't know. I still think these are 10R80s, man, are cheap cars all day. All right, guys. So what we're doing now is we're gonna go line up, post up in line. Now it does seem like a super long line, which I do not like. But I came out here to race. You dropped $100. It seemed like a lot of people are willing to spend that extra money, which is okay. So it's fine. So let's go. Let's try to start setting this up, and it is what it is. I was trying to see if I could get better coverage for you guys, but that doesn't seem like it's gonna be a thing. Like getting a good amount of coverage for you guys, because the way that they have it set up, it's like you're standing up behind the racing pit or to the side. So unless I'm right in front, you're really not close enough to really get much footage, which actually really does suck. It is what it is. And you know, and the pits are so long for you to sit there and wait, so that part is actually kind of annoying also. But it is what it is. But I'm gonna just let you guys know the experience. I kind of wish that I came a little earlier, but I'm kind of happy that I didn't come earlier, because I probably would have had to deal with all the congestion and all the people just sitting there waiting. I got through relatively quick. And you saw a couple of people that actually popped up and everything here. What I also want to add is I don't see any tech. Like, they are not teching you in. Now, I don't know about you, but they should be teching people in no matter what, because you are paying for the event. I mean, I know they have their own disclosures and everything like that, but I don't see any tech in, like, at least, you know. And of course you could sign a waiver, but run what you brung, if you want to sit there and say. But some of these cars, I guess they are inspected, but it is what it is. There's still a couple of rat rods out here, and I'm like, okay, you must be registered in a different type of state. But anyways, let's go. Let's continue. Guys, so we got a G80. Don't know if it's real or all-wheel drive versus a Q50. It should be on 93 or E30, but this is going to be a good matchup. I want to see this. Timing in. I'm going to love it, man. Listen, who trying to line up with?
I'm gonna test my 40.
Okay, cool. This is going to be real good, man. So if anyone that doesn't know, this is one stock at 30, and this green looking real good, man.